Okay, so this video is just on eighth notes on the left side of the page. So eighth notes look like this. So, well, they can look like a couple of different things. For right now, we're going to talk about the eighth notes that are paired in 2 or the eighth notes that are paired in 4. They can also look like this. Now they can look with the stems going up. They can look with the stems going down. Wow, that looked really bad. So they can look like they're going up. They can look like they're going down. It just depends on where they're at on the step. So if you look over at famous people, you can see that you have eighth notes with the stems going down. You have eighth notes with the stems going up. So it just depends. I think right now the book has it depending on what hand it's in, but later you will see that it depends on where it's at on the staff. If it's on the middle line or higher, the stems are going to go down. So anyway, so we have running. They're using these to separate the 2 different eighth notes, and right now it says that 2 eighth notes equal 1 quarter note. So that means that if a quarter note equals 1 beat, that going to be worth a half a beat each. So a half and a half equals 1 whole. Or if you have 1 pizza and you split it in half, you have 1 eighth note, and 1 eighth note equals either 2 half or 2 eighth notes combined like this, or 1 quarter note. So you can say running, 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 or walk, walk, walk. That's kind of like a more visual kind of concept to kind of like think about it. Or you could just say ta ti. I like to say ta ti ta ti ta ti, or they say ti 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 ta ta. You can do whatever makes more sense to you. You could say ice cream, stand, stand. I don't care. I just made that up off the top of my head. Just count the syllables. So 2 syllables for eighth notes, 1 for a quarter note. So it says tap and count these rhythms with your teacher. Now write 1, 2, 3, 4 underneath the correct beats. The only thing that I'm going to add in is that you're going to write what number the beat is and the measure, and then you're going to write the and sign for the second half of the eighth note to help us keep track. So it says walk, walk, running, walk, running, walk, running, walk, walk. You could also say ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Now, obviously, it's not always going to go that fast. You can speed up the tempo. You can go walk, running, walk, running, walk, running, walk, walk. It just depends on how fast or how slow you are playing the piece. So eighth notes can go fast. They can also go slow. It just depends. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now for number 2, we start on eighth notes. We're going to go running, walk, running, walk, running, walk, walk, walk. And the eighth notes have to be equally subdivided on the beat. So if I was to go like this, running, running, walk, running, walk, 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 or ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ta. Our main goal is to just kind of get 100% down with the rhythm. So that means that we have to play it robotically at first, go dee, dee, da, dee, dee, whatever. And then we can be kind of bring in that more emotional aspect into it later. But rhythms are our top priority right now. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. So this is kind of showing that half pizza. So here's our first half, here's our second half of that pizza. First half, second half, first half, second half. Okay, so now we have a group of 4 eighth notes. Nothing's going to be different. You don't even really need this here. They're just kind of making it a little bit more visually appealing for you. So you have running, running, walk, walk, running, running, walk, walk. Or you can say ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, 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 ta. So you have 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now it says circle this pattern in rhythm 1 above. I'm going to use a different color just so I can kind of keep track of it. I'm going to use an orange highlighter. So it says circle the rhythm, walk, running. So I have walk, running, walk, running. And here's another one right here, walk, running. And in rhythm 2, it says circle, running, walk. Running, walk, running, walk, running, walk. And then in rhythm 3, it says circle, running, 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 running. And then that's it. So you can put check, check, and check. That's it.